Have a nice day, everyone. This video, I will speak about Boeing, the Boeing family. Is there aircraft weight variant and Airbus? I discussed this before. But in Boeing, what about in Boeing? This is my tube, my channel, photo, 3 items. This is the date today. There is no aircraft weight variant in Boeing. I searched with an MPD or maintenance manual. I didn't find this expression, aircraft weight variant, in Boeing. But you will see these 3 items here. Here is manufacturer, not operator. The first one, block number. I think that the block number approximately equal the weight variant because the aircraft weight variant includes the weights, maximum zero weight, maximum landing weight, maximum takeoff weight. Also here, the block number is defined or assigned for the airplane during design. So during design, manufacturing, okay? So I think that the block number approximately equal the weight variant in Airbus. The second item, the serial number. We will go the manufacturing serial number. Here, this number, you will find it in the aircraft identification data plate. You know data plate, where is data plate? On the fuselage, maybe aft, might be forward, according to the aircraft type. Permanent identification number for the airplane and is on the identification data plate. Okay. Also, you will find it in the airworthiness certificate. Okay. This is the serial number. The line number are serial number of the aircraft, of that aircraft type during production line. So these 3 items, you will need them when you study service bulletin, the applicability of your fleet in the service bulletin. Also in the MPD to customize according to the task applicability for your aircraft. Just one aircraft. Each aircraft has one study itself. كان معكم مهندس عباس محمود هيكل ومحرك B1. This is email and my phone. I am waiting your comments and your suggestions. منتظر اقتراحاتكم وتوصياتكم وأسئلتكم. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.